ADAS cam. We care about your family's safety on the road. Give your family peace of mind while driving. Rear camera. The video picture is smooth and the license plate is clearly visible. LT comes with 7 ADAS. Lane change assist. When the vehicle speed is greater than 10 km per hour, an AI alarm will be triggered when a vehicle
Watch out for
approaching
the
from
car
behind.
ahead.
Stop and go. When the vehicle's speed is greater than 30 km per hour and the collision time between the vehicle and the vehicle in front is less than
Please keep
2.7
distance.
s. When the vehicle stops for more than 5 seconds and the vehicle in front continues to drive
Please
for
start.
more than 1 second. Rear collision warning. If the current speed is greater than 30 km per hour and the collision time between the vehicle and the vehicle behind is less than 2.7
Watch out for
seconds.
car behind.
Lane departure warning. When the driving speed is greater than 60 km per hour, if the vehicle
Lane
deviates
departure.
from the lane. Virtual bumper. When the driving speed is greater than 1 km per hour and less than 30 km per hour, and the distance between
Please
vehicles'
keep
current
distance.
vehicle speed is less than 0.7 s. Pedestrian collision warning. When the distance between the driving vehicle and the pedestrian current vehicle speed is 1.2
Watch out for
seconds,
pedestrians.
the system sounds an alarm and 140-degree wide angle with both front-facing and rear-facing cameras. Built-in 3-inch IPS screen. Important videos can be manually locked to save evidence. Mobile phone can be connected to the recorder app. View driving videos and locked files. Rear camera 360 adjustable angle. ADAS cam protects your family while they drive.